What's going on YouTube? I'm back with my second video of the day, and this is my update to my blog. And I think the end of November will be a year of blogging. So this is my stats report. With these reports, I didn't do no Pinterest or anything special. I just read content and let it be known. So let's zoom in here, and you can see where I'm not where I want to be. Excuse me. Start off in June, I got 270 visitors. July, I got 295, and August 278. So maybe it's getting 200 range. And so far, I got 80 views so far to my site. Back in April, I got 355, and back here, I think a YouTube video went viral for a little bit. But as you see here, I was going up and up and up. I thought I was gonna, okay, I'm gonna get 2,000 and 3,000, and this year it just keep plummeting and plummeting and plummeting and plummeting, and now it's steady here. So back here, I was doing more YouTube videos, no blogs, and I guess these videos I posted here was getting traffic here and then dying off very rapidly. Yeah, it's not going according to plan. To be honest with you, it's not going where I want it to go, but um, it's okay because blogging takes a long time. I'm in a competitive niche with making money online, so it's a very, very competitive niche. It's very hard to get into. It's not like an easy niche to get into. My bowling site does way better than this, just because the niche is in. Bowling's not a big niche. Professional bowling is not a big niche. Both basketball, football, everything on ESPN to talk about football and basketball and some baseball. Bowling is not a big niche, so that gets more traffic. So I just take my time. I just keep pushing. This is the rough time, but I believe if I keep on writing content, if I keep pushing out content, it will work. Just like my YouTube video, the more content I put out there, the more money I make. The same with blogging. The more content you push out, this is the time where people quit, give up. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep pushing this because this blog will make me a lot of money. It will make me lots of money. But I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna waver. I'm gonna keep on keeping on and keep pushing forward. So if you want to start your blog today, my link below will link you to Bluehost. You get a free domain with a setup with a blog. Set your blog today. Blogging is not hard at all. My results and your results be two different results. You might be faster than I am, maybe slower than I am. I know my bowling site. I ran a post a couple weeks ago and it's already reached page 2. So it depends on what niche you're in. You'll rank faster. Okay, write about your topic. Write about what you like to do. Get on Pinterest. Use Tailwind. Use social media. Use YouTube. The way to promote your blog. But start your blog. It's very inexpensive. Once your blog is set up, I told people, once you have your header set up, your sidebar, your footer, and your body set up, all you have to do is write content. That is it. There's nothing more to do to write content. You want to do 2 posts a week, do 2 posts a week. It might take an hour and a half to write one article, maybe 2 hours. But if you do that, and what you could do is do a YouTube video about that blog post, you like 2 birds with 1 stone. So you have your blog post and you have a YouTube video. So it's another side. It's 2 side hustles to do: blogging and YouTube, and you do another side hustle. You can do power washing houses. You can do drive Uber. If you want to do a service business, you want to cut grass. You can still do those things, plus have additional streams of income. Okay, so start your blog today. My link below the video. Get your free domain with Bluehost.com. I think you pay like $3 a month for hosting. Very inexpensive. You gotta pay up front, but still very inexpensive. And thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.